Hi guys, that is my friend. He's riding everywhere right now. I have no idea why. He is 10 and I am 9. He used to be my boyfriend when I was 6. And he's not really what I expected. And guys, I don't sound like that. There he is. You can't see anything through the mask. He doesn't want anyone seeing his face. Yeah. So if you see him, don't bother him. Please, I need a bunch of likes, and this is how I'm just gonna talk for the rest of the video. So please, I would do anything to get me up to at least 1,000 likes and a few subscribers, please. And yeah, he's crazy. I don't really know why he does it, and I don't like it. And yeah. It's very weird why he does this stuff. See, he's scared. I have no idea why. He's just a scaredy cat sometimes, I guess. And yeah, that's all I have to say for today. He is just a little bit wimpy. He's not being a real, brave boy. No, they can't even see you. I'm in the shade. Your face looks like they can't see anything. Okay, so yeah.